Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Unplug the brother machine and raise the presser foot to release tension and avoid injury. Turn the hand wheel toward you to bring the needle to the highest position before you touch any parts. Lower the light or use a lamp to see small screws and parts clearly. Remove the needle plate by loosening 2 screws using a small screwdriver and keep screws in a container. Slide the bobbin case out gently and set aside on a clean surface. This preparation keeps the workspace safe and organized for the next steps. Loosen the needle clamp screw 2 to 3 turns using a small screwdriver or the machine tool. Grasp the needle and pull it straight down to remove it from the clamp safely. Inspect the replacement needle for size marked by numbers like 11 or 14 on the shaft. Insert the new needle with the flat side to the back and push it up fully into the clamp until it stops. Tighten the clamp screw securely to prevent wobble during sewing. Test installation by turning the hand wheel and observing smooth needle travel. Ensure the needle clears the throat plate and that needle plate screws are tightened evenly. Reinstall the bobbin and thread the machine following brother threading diagrams step by step for accurate tension. Lower the presser foot and select a straight stitch or a simple stitch pattern on the dial. Set machine speed to low and hold scrap fabric lightly in place as you sew a test line. Observe for skipped stitches, noise, or needle wobble and stop immediately if any issue appears. Make small adjustments and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.